So here I'm gonna try to change my source by using the voice command. Switch source.
Say load room 1 or load room 2 to load from file.
So you will notice that now this is changed, and I guess I can load a previously saved room. So I'll just, because I saved it to room 2, I think. So I'll say load room 2. Load room 2.
Loaded room 2 from file.
So as you can see, the loaded room has somewhat of a different texture. It's definitely more visible here on the minimap. So I can, again, let me just place a couple objects so it's easier to see. This time I'll use the iconic red chair. Again, place it in that corner. Maybe I'll get another maybe coffee table. It's small enough. I'll just put it over here, and I'll rotate it a little bit. Okay. Open minimap.
Opened minimap. It's placed near the minimap cube.
So as you can see, this is the saved version of this room, and you can load it back in the same room, or you can load it back in a different place. So that's the convenience. You can basically plan out your furniture buying decision later once you have scanned your new apartment. You know, like you can change around, play around with different settings. So next, let me just load you a sample room so that you can see